Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to turn an electric toothbrush on and off. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have my electric toothbrush. Yes, this is actually the electric toothbrush that I use all the time. In fact, I used it this morning to brush my teeth. Okay, so basically I'm going to be talking about the process and demonstrating with this one, but obviously many electric toothbrushes are very similar, so the process is going to be similar. So I'll show you what to do with this specific one. With this specific one, on the handle there are a couple buttons, but there's one button that is labeled with sort of like a power icon. I'll see if I can get it into the camera frame here. There's a button that's labeled with like a power icon. It's the icon that you would usually see, or the logo that you'd usually see when you're turning things on and off, right? It's a typical power icon. And in order to turn this toothbrush on and off, I just have to press that once to turn it on and another time to turn it off. So here's the button that I'm going to be pressing right over here. I'm going to press it once to turn it on. As you can see, it is working, and then I'm going to press it again to turn it off. One last time. To turn it on, I press that button. And when it is on, to turn it off, I press that button again. Just like that. I don't have to hold it, nothing like that. Just press the button. Now, with most electric toothbrushes, it's going to be the same process. Maybe the button might look a little different. Maybe the button might be located slightly differently on the handle, but it's going to be probably the same process. You press a button once to turn the toothbrush on and press it another time to turn it off. I don't believe that many electric toothbrushes use like a switch for on and off. As far as I've seen, and I've seen a decent amount of electric toothbrushes, they basically use a button like this. So if your electric toothbrush looks a little bit different, but if it has a power button and you're wondering, how to turn it on and off, then just try pressing that power button. That should hopefully turn it on. Try pressing the power button again, and it should hopefully turn it off. It's literally that simple. Obviously, for your specific electric toothbrush, you can always, and you should always, to be honest with you, consult the owner's manual or the user's manual to make sure you're doing it properly. But obviously, you have to use your common sense, your rational judgment. You just have to be like someone who's thinking rationally and look at what you see, use your common sense, and just do what makes sense as well. But yeah, obviously, if you're ever in doubt, just look at the owner's manual, and you should be looking at the owner's manual or the user's manual to make sure you're doing it properly. But yeah, hopefully this video can help you out in some way, shape, or form, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. I've got nothing else to say, so with nothing else to say, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.